What's going on, guys? We're going to do an installation of security window film. It's a silver 8mm security film with a Dow Corning 995 attachment system for the Riverside County Sheriff's Department in Blythe, California. Check it out. What's up, guys? We're over here at Blythe. We're at the sheriff's station over here. We're doing a security film installation. This is a silver on dyed glass. We pulled all the seals, so now after this installation we're going to do the Dow Corning 995, which is vital in security. Vital to actually not only cut the seals, provide a backing rod, and do a Dow Corning 995, which adheres the film to the glass and the film to the frame itself, which is what gives you that security component. So this is the silver 28mm security, and we're going to go ahead and wrap it up.